I was sent the Luxe Scent collection and I'm so excited. This is a technology where it doesn't require any water. I've never used a diffuser like that. And it's gonna bring that luxury smell of a hotel, which is one of my favorite things whenever I stay at a really nice hotel, is how good it smells, right into my home. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna take it apart so we can put it together. You're also going to get the plug, and then you get a remote as well. And then mine came with Divine Allure. So let's get started. So the first thing you're gonna do is twist off the top here. It does come with a bottle. So if you wanna use your own aromatherapy blends, you can. You would just fill this up. Otherwise, we can pop this on. So let's go ahead and do that. When you go to put it back in, you'll see two of those metal bars right there. And then here you'll see two metal dots. So I just lined that up the best I could. And then that helped it kind of just go in. And then it snaps in. Give it a little twist if you need to. And we're ready to plug it in. Once you plug it in, it immediately does start coming out. And my room here filled with the best smell ever. Like immediately, I didn't even have to wait a long time. Very lightweight, so you can carry this room to room, and I just love how sleek it is. I love that you can turn your bathroom into a spa just by adding this in there. And now I have the remote, and I wanna show you some of the features on that as well. There are 6 different levels of concentration. You can also do it with density up and down. And then at the bottom, you can set a 1 hour, a 4 hour, or an 8 hour timer. If you want to restore it back to the factory settings, just hit the Aroma button. At the Aroma level, it is spraying for 190 seconds and then it pauses for 10 seconds and it will run like that for 8 hours. Super quiet. It's not spraying a whole bunch of water all over the place, and you can set it next to furniture. Let's turn the light off and see what it looks like. Here it is with the light off. This nano mist technology is so incredible. I just love that it doesn't change the scent of the oil because it's not heating up, it's not diluting with water, and it smells so good in here. I wish you guys could smell it through the video. Also, you do have an instruction sheet. If you have any questions, it's super, super simple to use. This makes a great gift for someone, or gift it to yourself. You can use it in your home. I'm here in my bathroom. I'm gonna keep it here because I wanna have spa-like showers. Or you could use it at your office or really any place. It can fill up to 1,000 square feet and it truly smells incredible. I know you're gonna love it.